Isn't that beautiful? Come with me, come with me. It's another day out. You could go walking, look. Rubbish. How do you go through the back door? No, don't go through the back door. They were all following me last week because they had different set of mind. Though they are in the European Union, they joined up so late, they're still catching up with the meaningful understanding or their level of knowledge, education, their level of fear that they have been put through in the past. So you could solely sympathize and agree. The Belgians traveling on this road by car. Sharon, with all that, walking the earth. Those days you couldn't get to certain places, folks. I've been traveling since I was a little toddler, taking me around the world with my grandparents, parents, with all the... Now I'm revisiting the world. This is my second visit within this week. No, this month, in fact. And, beautiful church right on the top there. Might be even the boundary between Luxembourg and Belgium. There was no boundaries before. Talking about boundaries and borders. Coca Cola, you will never miss out. Coca Cola, you may never miss out. The mess you have created on this planet. Thanks to the chief executives from Atlanta getting this right in the most weak minds of the humanity. I don't need any fuel. The freshness of this breath is more than enough fuel for me. They trash, they waste, and they cause abuse for the human population across the planet. Because once they have got stuck into the Coca-Cola and beautiful church, on a pilgrim route, you would stop by, reflect, contemplate, remember your mortality, especially when you're walking on the edge of this road. And thanks very much. They're all friendly, folks. They're all very friendly. There was scarring skyline with all the windmills. It's not a nice thing, is it? Oh, look at this. Tree of life. When it's sunny, you could sit under. Oh. Beautiful. On the way back, we'll stop by. Nice. Tree of life.